Descara understands the importance of campaigns, so let's walk through creating an email campaign. First, we'll click on Campaigns from the campaign link on the dashboard. That'll take us to this screen. I've created a campaign today called Today's New Campaign. Just as easy as clicking here and starting the process. The objective is lead generation. Today's the start date. Ending date is going to be a week from now. The type is an email campaign. It's planned. The response we haven't received yet, and the campaign creation date, of course, again, is today. We're going to go ahead and select that and go into Email Campaign. And this will begin the true process of adding the email campaign from here. We're going to call this Today's Email Campaign. The sender email, if you have several listed in the system, you'll be able to select from the drop-down. Today we'll just go ahead and select newsletters@descara.com. The target list is listed here, New Email Campaign Target List. But if you wanted to add a new one, it's easy as selecting this right here. This is the target list that we've gone ahead and selected, but we can create our new target list by clicking here. We'll import our contacts from here. We'll display 115, that way we can see all 73 of them. We want to select the contacts that have an email address associated to them, or at least most of them. It doesn't have to be everybody. We'll click Submit. 7 records were imported successfully. We'll go ahead and say no, we don't want to import any more for now. This is going to be today's target list. We'll save it here. It's been saved successfully. Now, it's going to be in our drop-down list for today's target list. We'll click on Add. Now that list comes up as well. We can select both of these target lists to be part of our new email campaign. We'll go ahead and back into our Add Email campaign. You'll see that both of the lists are now added here. We'll click Next up above. Oh, we need to select our target lists first. They're listed down here to select from, but you need to select them to actually move forward. We'll click on Next. Our new target is going to go ahead and be our new email template. In fact, you know what? Let's create a new email template. Let's do this the easiest way possible. This will be called Today's Email Template. This is going to be a sample. And the subject is going to be New Implementations. Now, starting here at the top, primary heading, what we'll do is we'll say, Dear, and then the parameter type is going to be recipient. The parameter value will be first name, and we'll go ahead and insert that there. That data will be pulled from the contact information that we put in earlier. For now, we'll keep all the sample text in there just to make it easier. But as you can see, all of your functionality is right across the top here. Adding things in, taking things out, it's just as easy as working with any kind of spreadsheet. We'll go ahead and we'll save this template. Today's email template is what it's called. We'll select it here and we'll hit Next. From here, this gives us the option to format our template. It can be formatted in several different ways. The colors can change here. We have different categories for the colors, all sorts of options. You can send a test email, but we don't need to do that for now. This is where you would do that from. We'll click Next. This is going to be your plain text. So view it in your browser. So we'll go ahead and go like this. We'll take these lines out because they're already in there. So view it in your browser, it can come out. Dear mail recipient name. And then we'll come down as such. Our mailing address will be listed down below that. And the copyright information down below that as well. We're pretty good there for our plain text email, so we'll go ahead and click on Next. This tells us that everything is in order. We hit Finish, and the email campaign has been saved successfully. If we go back to our campaigns, this is where we see that. From here, we can send the email out to all of the recipients in there. They're going to send the bulk email, and then we'll get a report on how things went once everything has been sent out. From here, this is where the activity will come in, so we'll be able to see how everything went. All of the information will be listed here for you. And that's how you create and send a campaign in Descara CRM.